If you're not in this to make a shitload of money, then you're here for the wrong reasons. That's it. That should be the motivating factor. Lots of fucking money, because that's what's available. It's going to take a lot of effort, a lot of real effort, not just watching my fucking videos. I say it all the time. Watching them is not learning. It might inspire you. It may give you reasons to stay at it, but that is not to replace you going into your own charts, studying them, going to old moves. At the times I tell you when these specific models present themselves, go back in old moves. Forex, futures, commodities, I don't give a fuck what it is. You go out there and you prove to yourself it's always there. Accept the facts that sometimes you're going to do it wrong. Accept the facts that it might not deliver on the day that you try to trust it. It doesn't mean it's broken. It doesn't mean that you can't be profitable. It doesn't mean you're a terrible trader. It just means that you messed it up. You did. Own it. Come back the next day. The next opportunity. If you do that, you will be light years ahead of everyone else, because everybody else will want to change. I tried this PV array. I tried this fair value gap and it didn't work. Let me try this breaker now. I tried the breaker, it didn't work. I'm going to go here and do institutional order flow entry. It didn't work. Let me go back to OTE. It didn't work for me when I tried it the 3 times. I tried to call it experience and back testing. Nope, on the 4th time I failed to. Let me see. Oh, he's got something else going to teach. Let me look at that one too. That's not somebody that's really making a conscious effort. You need to be very diligent about doing these things and be very passionate about why you're doing it. If you're not in this to make a shitload of fucking money, then you're here for the wrong reasons. That's it. That should be the motivating factor. Lots of fucking money, because that's what's available if you can control yourself and you know what you're doing. If you can't do those things, manage yourself, your emotions, start with a low-hanging fruit approach and build up slowly, blocking out all the bullshit. And that